Hey, you are a developer, but you are not using these extensions that I'm going to show you today. Believe me, you're missing out a lot. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you the best extensions that you can use as a developer to enhance your programming, to enhance your performance. So if you're interested in such related videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. With that being said, let's get into the video. So the very first extension about which I'm gonna talk about is called as Git Lens. Let me show you over there. You can go in your extensions tab and you can search for Git Lab Lens. So here we go. I have already installed that extension. It is one of the most useful extensions for developer. To be very honest, let me show why is it so important. For example, you are working on a project in which a lot of team members are working. You are working on separate module. Your colleague is working on separate module. So you need to keep track of what you have done and what he is doing, or whatever the process is going on. So, for example, this is the project which I'm doing right now. I made a to-do list using React and Tailwind in my last video. So if you're interested to watch that video, I will add the link in the I button so you can click over there to watch that video. So as you can see, as I have clicked on any line of code, it is showing that I have added one thing 1 second ago and it's a uncommitted change. Similarly, if I go in index.js and I write over there, so here is that I have done some code 3 days ago and it was to initialize project. Okay, so you are grabbing the idea that why is it so important? You can keep track of anything. For example, when 2 or 3 developers are working and you just have taken a git pull, you can easily check who has written that line of code or who has worked on this module. So you have gotten the idea why is it so important. Second, one of the most important and one of the most useful extension is, let me show you, it's called as, not this one, just a moment, it's called as Snapcode. I have already installed that extension. It is one of the most important and useful extensions. For example, you are working in a project in which you have your senior developers also, and you're stuck on anything or any piece of code or in any function. You have to send a screenshot of that function to your developer, to your senior developer, to get advice what is the possible solution right now. So instead of taking pictures from your phone or taking screenshot using print screen or a snipping tool in Windows, it is better to use Snapcode. Let me show you how it's work. You just have to press Ctrl Shift P after installing that specific extension, and afterwards you just have to click on Snapcode. As you can see, a window has opened over there that is showing a piece of code. What you have to do, for example, I want to discuss about this function with my senior developer. You just have to copy this function and you have to paste it over here. uh, just a moment. Yeah, so you just have to paste your code over here. So if you want to change the width of this screenshot, you can obviously come to this and play around with it as per your liking. Okay, so I think so it is good now. Afterwards, you just have to click on this button to take a snapshot. And here you go. It is doing the work. Let me save it onto the desktop and name it Snapcode. So let me show you. Here we go. We have gotten a beautiful screenshot of our piece of code or function on which we want to have details or discussion with our senior developer. Okay, Third extension is important because it helps to increase your productivity. As you can see right now onto my screen, my Visual Studio is not having that default dark color or default light color. Okay, what I have done, I have changed this color palette. With respect to the color palette, I'm much comfortable with, so that I could write more code easily and it does not, uh, become frustrating for my eyes. So for that specific reason, the extension I have installed is called as Material Theme. This one, you can install that extension. It is quite useful. Let me show you how you can use that extension. In order to use that extension, you just have to again press Control Shift P, and afterwards you just have to write theme, and there you will find preferences color theme. You just have to click over there, and afterwards you can just scroll and choose whatever you like the most. So as you can see, as I am scrolling, my Visual Studio is changing its default colors. So that's how you can choose the color that is more suitable for you, so that it can help you to write more code and to enhance your productivity. So I hope you have liked today's video. It was quite short, but I am hoping much that it was quite useful for most of the developers. So if you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Till then, keep watching and keep sharing.